passengers. It's Ollie the Emoji Train. Are you all ready for a fun journey to explore our feeling? Next stop, Joyful Junction. Let's see what happiness looks like.
What, Sonny? You're like a dancing, joyful flower. I feel like jumping on a trampoline.
That's right. Happiness feels like jumping high and laughing with friends.
Let's all have some fun and feel the joy together. Next stop, Sad Station.
There, everyone. I'm feeling a bit down today. Sometimes sadness feels like a rainy day.
Maybe a nice big leaf can help keep you dry.
Remember, it's okay to feel sad. It's part of how we understand our emotions. Here we are at every arena. Let's explore anger and how to manage it.
Anger can feel like a volcano about to erupt.
But remember, staying calm and talking it out helps.
When we're angry, it's important to find ways to relax and express our feelings. That's right. Final stop, Love Loop.
Welcome to Love Loop. Here, we're surrounded by hearts and warmth. Love is like a big, cozy hug.
It's the warmest feeling of all. Love makes everything feel brighter and more wonderful. Thank you for joining with us. We've explored all kinds of feelings today. Remember, every feeling is special. Keep smiling and understanding your emotion.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.